Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Aviation 2K2 here. Tonight I'm gonna review you guys a new model. It's new for me, but it is a second-hand model that I trade with my friend. His name is Jungwon, and I'm gonna leave his link to his channel right here. Yeah, right here. I Let's start. This is the B767 767 in the British Airways livery. My cat just jumped from the top of my drawers down and it just spilled some water. I'm gonna clean later. This is the Boeing 767 in the British Airways livery, made by Aiways. There seems to be two type of aircraft. I don't know what kind is this. The 767 right here is the Golf, Bravo, Zebra, Hotel Alpha, and this is the Golf, Bravo. What is the N? The N word. November. Yeah. November. And the W Whiskey Alpha. Yes, I'm so smart. It is kind of weird. I trade my Singapore Airlines Airbus A330 link to the video in the top right corner for this aircraft 767 BA livery. Yeah, let's open this aircraft. This aircraft is 100% in the mint condition, so great work from him. Let me just British Airways. I don't know, it seems kind of small. At the first glance I thought it was a 1-500 767 because when I go to a plane spotting, the 767 is kind of large, so I just imagine it's kind of same to the 777, just a little smaller. But I don't think it is this small. Like, it's tiny. I don't know, this is a wide body aircraft. Let me get the 737. Where is it? The 737. I remember I put it somewhere here. Yeah, this is the Amazon Prime Air 737. Again, I'm gonna leave the video link in the top right corner, so can you guys check it out. By the way, we hit a 35 subscriber milestone. Yay! Yay, I'm so happy. I'm gonna buy a special aircraft when it hits the 50 subscriber. Yeah, compared to, for some reason it looks kind of the same to me. The fuselage of the 737 to the 67 is smaller, but I don't know it is this kind of small. Yeah, it had the 3 antennas above the fuselage and 1 below it. The landing gears roll quite smooth. Yeah, great work from the Aiways. Aiways only makes good high quality aircraft, but for some for some reason I want to buy the private jet 1-400 and nobody sell it. I don't talk about the Boeing 747 XP private jet Las Vegas. No, I want the Bombardier Cessna and E-Jet smart aircraft, but nobody sell it. NG model is thinking about it, but I don't know if they want to make it or not. So yeah. I hoping to get the 767 in the Vietnam Airlines livery, the old livery. If you are a Vietnamese, you will know the 767 cánh cò. Let me check what cánh cò in English. Google Translate. Cánh cò. What?
Egret.
Egret. I don't know. The white egret of the 767 Vietnam Airlines livery. So yeah. I just noted this. I don't know if it's the flare of the light or it is from the aircraft paint, but some reason I thought it was the paint had faded away because of the long time. It said the HA. For some reason I don't see any British flag right here. Is it the British flag? Nope. Is that a crown near the landing light? I'm thinking about, does British Airways join the Star Alliance or the Sky Team? One world. They join the one world. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I'm gonna end the video soon. My two cat is fighting. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel Aviation 2K2. And yeah, also don't forget to turn on the notification bell and watch more content like this. I don't know. See you next week. Goodbye, comrade.